Join us for our first week in Bingil Bay, Australia, as we explore Babinda Boulders, Josephine Falls, and Mission Beach.
Yesterday, which was Saturday, we got off of our dive boat and snorkel boat that we've been on for 3 days. We are now down closer to Mission Beach. The issue was so we got off on Saturday around 4 o'clock from the boat, and then we had to go to get a rental car. By the time we got down here, all the grocery stores were closed. They closed at around 6 o'clock, but then we found out that they're closed on Sundays as well. So we are going to have to drive to a grocery store that is like 45 minutes away, an hour away, to be able to pick up groceries for the week, and then get some breakfast first because we are hungry.
We had breakfast at Bingil Bay Cafe, which was the only thing open on Sunday, and it was very tasty. And then we made our way to the grocery store. We did have to have 2 shopping carts because we are shopping for the week plus getting the essentials for the month. And then we headed back home, unpacked our groceries, and then headed off to our first beach.
We decided to check out Mission Beach first. So we're at the very start of the beach, north side of the beach. It goes all the way down there. And the water's warm. It's August, nope, 1st of September here. How's your beach?
Good.
A little different than our Fiji beach.
Yeah, so
Dad, come feel the
nice
water.
and clean.
The next day, we checked out our local beach, Bingil Bay. The next day, we went to a beach between Bingil Bay and Mission Beach. We did not like this beach as much because it was rocky. If you want to sunbathe, this would be a perfect beach. Other than that, we wouldn't recommend it. As the week came to an end, we decided to visit Babinda Boulders and Josephine Falls. We jumped into the car and made the 1-hour drive to explore these natural landmarks. You probably noticed all the warning signs indicating that unsafe areas where swimming is prohibited. However, there are 2 designated locations for swimming. The first one we stopped at was not our favorite because it only allowed you to swim. But if you take the lesser known trail behind the playground, you will come to another safe location for swimming, which was our favorite at Babinda Boulders because you can jump from the boulders.
If we came back here, I'd rather swim here than the other spots.
What do you guys think?
I thought it was fun. It was fun to jump off something. Way better than the other pool.
Yeah.
After cooling off in the water, we stopped by Babinda Bakery to have a snack. We heard about the bakery on the radio, so we decided to give it a try, and it didn't disappoint.
That's the hot stuff.
Wow. I wonder what it's going to taste like inside.
Bakery.
Delicious.
Would you come back?
After enjoying our snack, which felt more like a lunch, our next destination was Josephine Falls. Again, you may have noticed all the warning signs about swimming, but there are safe areas where you can swim and slide down the natural water slides.
How were the falls?
They're good. I like them.
Were they fast, slow?
They were fast, and it was really fun.
Did they hurt on the bumps?
No,
No, didn't feel it really, huh?
they don't hurt at all.
Water was warm or cold?
Really cold. Felt nice though.
Yeah. How was the hike from the parking lot
Not far.
and on a paved path?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty easy.
Anyone can do it.
And on the trail, the viewpoints look like they're far away, but they're actually like,
Super close. Huh?
yeah.
Yeah.
Was this more fun than Babinda Boulders
I'm not sure.
or equal?
I like this better than Babinda Boulders, but depends on what you want to do. If you want to swim and jump, then Babinda Boulders. If you want to slide, then this one.
After a day packed with adventure, we drove back to Bingil Bay, where we have 3 more weeks to explore. See you next week.